the cutest things you'll ever see. This is the tiniest little bunny rabbit. I'm going to follow her around. She's got blue eyes. Come and say hello. Come and say hello, little fluff ball. She's a Lionhead. And there's her brother or sister over there. I haven't actually sexed them. I'm just calling them girls because they're just so darn pretty. Hey, I wish I had a selfie light to make this a little brighter for you guys. But oh, I just stalk him like a cat. Hey, cutie patootie. Hey, cutie patootie, get over here. Get over here, little puff ball. This one's facing me, so I'll go over here. I'm gonna training that hair for my little ones. See how cute they are. Yes. And a blue-eyed light Lionhead. Their little saddles are starting to already show. You can see how it's long on the outside and short on their backs. Oh, they're adorable. Just adorable. Adorable. Aren't you? I know you don't like it when I get too close. I don't even need a beauty cam with you. You're so freaking cute. Yeah. Hiya. Come here. Can't give them treats or anything because they're too young. We lost 2 of their siblings due to the weaning phase. We're going to get 2 in the shot. Hello. Hello, everyone. Yes, they love each other. Yes, you do, don't you? Yes. You love your siblings, don't you? Cutie patooties. Hey. So I do brush their hair as well. And we use it in soap. And if you wanted me to make a custom soap with whatever kind of pet you have that sheds, I probably could hydrolyze easily enough if you wanted to make a pet soap. There, white on white. You're just too cute. I gotta get. Oh, yeah, you're the adventuresome one, aren't you? I think this was the king of the castle. Every time I went in there, he was on top. This one that's running around on top of the the nesting box. He was the only one who would do that. It's hard to tell for sure, but he's the most adventuresome one. And then you can see even at this age, yeah, you guys are just 5 weeks old, and you're just so cute. Or six weeks old. Yes, going so fast. This is one of the babies of Olaf and Elsa. So of course they look like little footballs. No, not Elsa. Olaf and Anna. That's right, because yeah, it's our tort. These are the offspring of Olaf and Anna. Yes, you're so cute. You come crawling on me. Oh, sweet, aren't you? That's so sweet. Yeah, you came and said hello. Give me some exercise. Why aren't you getting exercise? Now you got me worried. Okay, move around a little bit. Oh no. Every time they grind their teeth, I get worried. Okay, grooming, rabbit grooming is the cutest thing ever. Oh good, she's moving around. at my toes. Hey, baby girl. They're only babies. Yeah, she's got a little tummy trouble. She's got some, they're getting through that stage where they've got to learn how to digest food, not just milk. Hope she makes it. She's absolutely cute patootie. Yes, you are. I'll get you guys some extra vitamins. I use grapefruit seed extract powder and echinacea and something called, what's an initial B? Oh, what is it called? It's supposed to be an immune booster. And digest it. And of course, since you have that long hair, you get to have papaya extract too. Yeah, and lots of flaxseed. And all the hay you want to eat. We go with the cubes with the longer haired little ones. The Lionhead is from the Angora family. They're just like the little miniature version without quite as much fluff. Super cute. Yes, little Twitchy. Yes, little Twitchy. You have a super cute nose. And then your Twitchy nose at everyone. Listen to me. Where did the little one go? Oh, he's long gone.